Hey guys, today I'm making onion and potato bhajias from scratch. In a bowl, add in your gram flour, plain flour, baking powder, food coloring, chili powder, ground cumin, chopped chilies, chopped coriander, and mix well. Then add in your water gradually till you have a thick batter. Add in some salt and mix well. Divide the batter between two bowls, and to one of them add in your onion and mix it in well. Into the other bowl, add in some additional water till it's the consistency of pancake batter. Then add in your potato slices and coat them well. Heat some oil on medium-high and drop the onion batter into the oil using your hands. Use a fork to turn them back and forth and move them around, and allow it to fry till golden brown. Remove it from the oil and drain on paper towels. To fry your potato bhajia, drop slices of the potato into the oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan, and allow it to fry exactly the same as the onion bhajia till golden brown. Remove it from the oil and drain on some paper towels. And your bhajias are ready to serve. Enjoy!